Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Gloryang Thermal Printer, and before you make a choice about which portable printer to buy, you need to watch this. We've done comprehensive research on this innovative inkless printing solution, and you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. In this video we'll evaluate the Gloryang Thermal Printer based on price, performance, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The Gloryang Thermal Printer's standout feature is its revolutionary inkless printing technology that completely eliminates the need for expensive ink cartridges, toner, or ribbons. This advanced thermal printing system works exclusively with special thermal paper, delivering exceptional cost savings over traditional printers. Measuring just 1.7 inches x 10.4 inches x 2.9 inches and weighing only 1.75 pounds, this ultra-portable device is perfect for professionals, students, and travelers who need reliable printing capabilities on the go. The printer boasts impressive technical specifications, including 203 dpi resolution for crisp, clear text and images. Furthermore, it's equipped with dual 2600 mAh batteries that provide up to 3 hours of continuous printing, or approximately 360 sheets on a single charge. The seamless Bluetooth connectivity allows instant pairing with both iOS and Android devices through the dedicated Jaden's Printer app, while USB cable connection enables compatibility with laptops and desktop computers. What makes this printer truly remarkable is its versatility in paper handling. The innovative built-in paper bin design saves valuable space and keeps your workspace organized, whether you're printing in your car, at a coffee shop, or in a hotel room. Additionally, the printer accommodates documents ranging from 2 to 8.5 inches wide, making it suitable for everything from receipts and shipping labels to full-size contracts and office documents. The package includes outstanding value with the printer itself: 3 rolls of thermal printing paper, 1 preloaded and 2 extras, a protective carrying case, charging cable, detailed instruction manual, and a quick start guide card. This comprehensive bundle ensures you can start printing immediately without purchasing additional accessories. Target audiences who will find exceptional value in this printer include real estate agents needing to print contracts on-site, delivery drivers requiring instant receipt printing, students printing assignments between classes, and small business owners managing inventory labels. Moreover, the printer excels in emergency scenarios where immediate document printing is crucial, such as legal proceedings or medical situations. The space-saving design deserves special mention, featuring 2 different paper loading methods that adapt to various printing environments. Whether you're working from a cramped airplane tray table or a spacious office desk, this printer's compact footprint ensures it never becomes an obstruction. The thermal technology also means you'll never deal with messy ink spills or dried-out cartridges, making it ideal for infrequent users who need reliable printing when it matters most. However, one notable downside is the requirement for special thermal paper, which some users may find limiting compared to traditional printers that accept standard paper. The thermal paper can be more expensive per sheet than regular paper, and the printed documents may fade over time when exposed to heat or direct sunlight, making it less suitable for archival purposes. Despite this limitation, the Gloryang Thermal Printer delivers impressive performance for its intended use cases. The print quality remains consistently sharp across various document types, and the battery life exceeds most competing portable printers in this price range. The intuitive app interface makes printing from smartphones remarkably simple, while the driver installation for computers is straightforward and well documented. You got it. So that's it for the best portable thermal printer on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped you, comment below if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.